CNES has been supporting France's strategic independence and the defense of its interests in space for 60 years. That is our mission for the armed forces. Our support to the Ministry of Armed Forces encompasses 5 domains: conducting military and dual-use space programs with the French Defense Procurement Agency, DGA. CNES has contributed to every single one of France's military space programs. The agency routinely oversees the space segments of optical military observation programs. The Pléiades and CSO satellites supply imagery to inform our government's decisions and our military missions. CNES also provides technical expertise to DGA for other satellite programs, like, for example, the Cirrus Signals intelligence satellites and the Syracuse 4 and Athena Feeders telecommunications satellites. Surveilling space with Space Command. Working alongside the armed forces, we survey the skies with radars and telescopes to assess collision risk for our satellites, track objects of interest with optical sensors, monitor high-risk re-entries, and predict the trajectories of spacecraft and debris. Conducting space operations. The Guyana Space Center in Kourou in French territory gives us independent access to space while safeguarding our nation's military secrecy. From our field center in Toulouse, we control military and dual-use satellites in low Earth orbit. We conduct collision avoidance maneuvers, provide through-life sustainment support, and upload mission work plans, preparing future military space capabilities. With our sights firmly on the future, we are pursuing research and development work on dual-use technologies. In our dual capacity as space agency and technical field center, we are uniquely positioned at the crossroads between users, industry, and research laboratories to respond effectively to future military requirements, while consolidating France's space industry. Among the projects we are working on, Castor is addressing the increasing need to digitize the battlefield, while CO3D will enable us to build a very precise sovereign digital surface model. CNES is also nurturing a national high-performance nanosatellite industry, with Angel's high-performance nanosatellites, and with NES, a technology demonstrator to detect interfering in-orbit signals and master very small satellite operations. Supporting the ramp-up in Toulouse of military space capabilities.
Nos camarades ingénieurs et techniciens du CNES, je souhaite leur dire toute la reconnaissance que nos armées ont pour les compétences et l'excellence dont ils font preuve tous les jours dans l'accomplissement de leur mission. Nous avons besoin de vous aujourd'hui et nous aurons besoin de vous demain.
To conduct the military space operations set out in our space defense strategy in 2019, geographic and functional synergies between our armed forces and CNES have been strengthened. Space Command has been located at CNES's field center in Toulouse to achieve this goal. It is thus gaining maximum traction from the virtuous collaboration with the agency, which possesses renowned expertise in space operations and the resources to conduct them. Since late 2019, CNES has been actively involved in supporting the ramp-up of our military space capabilities. The first military satellite operators have been trained by the agency and are today operational. Space is boundless, and so is our ambition serving the defense community.